Always low prices at Pahrump Valley Auto Plaza.
Today, October 13th, 2025, the two suspects accused in a deadly park shooting appeared for their preliminary hearing in Judge Vito's courtroom. The purpose of the hearing was to present evidence before moving the case to district court. During the case, District Attorney Keith Brower went through the charges prior to the hearing and information of the case.
Also, I've had opportunity to review State's Exhibits 1, 1A, 2, and 3. Parties wish to do a closing argument?
The state will, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Obviously, we're at a preliminary hearing. The state is going to be ultimately asking the court to bind both defendants over on counts 1 and 2. The evidence is pretty clear at this stage, Judge. Both the defendants, Carlos and Anthony, were engaged in an altercation that involved Joey, the decedent. That altercation ultimately broke up. They returned together in the same car with Mr. Blakesley driving that vehicle. They got out of the car. Mr. Blakesley had a firearm. Mr. Aguilar gets out, had a firearm. Mr. Aguilar ultimately proceeds to shoot Joey Perry in the back. And as a result of those shots, he was pronounced dead at the hospital.
Both suspects, Anthony Aguilar and Carlos Blakely, appeared alongside their attorneys. Witnesses testified that the men were allegedly carrying weapons at the time of the shooting.
Well, like reddish orange Camaro pulled up.
Okay. And what happened when that Camaro pulled up?
They got out and...
Okay, well, let me slow you down here. You say they. Did you see people that got out of the vehicle?
Initially, no, not until I stepped out.
Okay. So you see somebody get out of the vehicle?
Yeah.
With more than one person?
Yes.
Okay. How many?
2.
Okay. And what do you do?
When I looked over and seen dude's arm going up, that's when I started to jump out.
Okay.
But I made it a step out of the car when the shots went off.
Okay. The dude's arm that you saw going up, do you see that person in court?
Yeah.
And is that, you pointed, but there's, and I'm not trying to be difficult, this is crazy, but we're trying to make a record. You pointed at the defense counsel table that there's 4 people sitting here, 5 people.
The one in the yellow, the orange and white right here.
Is that the person you previously identified?
Yes.
Okay, and that would be Mr. Aguilar, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so you see that dude's arm go up?
Yeah.
Okay, do you see anything in his arm or in his hand?
Yeah, there was a gun in his hand.
Okay, and where are you at this point in time?
Stepping out of the car.
Okay, and what do you see Mr. Aguilar do?
I saw and heard the gun go off.
Okay, and Mr. Aguilar was holding that gun?
Yes.
At the conclusion of the hearing, both suspects were bound over to district court. They are currently being held without bail as the case moves forward.
It appears to me from the complaint on file herein and from the testimony adduced at this preliminary hearing that the crimes, as alleged, count 1, open murder with use of a deadly weapon, and count 2, conspiracy to commit murder, have been committed by both defendants. The charge is being pled in the alternative as aider and abettor. Principles to the crime has been committed, and that there is sufficient evidence to believe that the defendants committed said crimes. Is there going to be any discussion about bail prior to the matter being bound over?
Not on behalf of Mr. Aguilar.
Mr. Aguilar is currently being held without bail, is that correct?
Yes.
And I believe that bail for Mr. Blakely is set at $250,000, or is he being held without bail?
He's being held without bail. We reserved our right for a future Valdez-Jimenez hearing. We do not wish to address bail today, Your Honor.
They'll be held without bail, and the defendants bound over to the 5th Judicial District Court for the purposes of arraignment and proceedings consistent thereto on
November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m., Department 1,